Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-comments at mag-subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. Ito yung 5 piso guys nga Leti Gold landing na hinahanap sa ating mga coin hunter, sa ating mga kolektor. At ito yung kanyang mga history tungkol dito. The Leti landing, which was a turning point for the liberation of the Philippines during World War II, on the 5 peso circulating coin. As a matter of policy, the BSP commemorates significant events and heroic Filipinos in our country's history through minting of coins, medals, or overprints on our banknotes. Ito yung Leti Landing Memorial History guys. Part of the Pacific campaign of the war, the Battle of Leti began on 17 October 1944, and so American and Australian troops worked together with Filipino guerrilla forces to invade and capture this area from Japanese. When the US force were forced to make a hasty retreat from the Philippines in December 1941, control of the area was relinquished to the invading Japanese. General Douglas MacArthur made a famous speech stating that I shall return. The Philippines endured 3 brutal years of occupation, but on 20 October 1944, US forces returned led by General MacArthur. Famous footage shows MacArthur's wadding knee deep ashore on Red Beach in Palo, 10 kilometers south of Tacloban, accompanied by a group of high-ranking soldiers, including the future of Filipino President Sergio Osmeña. His return speech began with, "People of the Philippines, I have returned." Known as a day landing, photographer Gaetano Peles captured the significant moment of MacArthur and his entourage wadding ashore on film. Consequently, it became one of the most iconic photographs of World War II. For this reason, the Leti Landing Memorial comprises 7 bronze statue portraying a day landing. The statues were designed by sculptor Anastasio Caido and stand at almost 10 feet tall. They were officially inaugurated in 1981 at the 37th anniversary of the A-Day landing. In front of the sculpture, 2 information plaques, one in Filipino and one in English, describe the symbolism of the statue and the reasoning for being positioned there. Within the park, there is also a small museum that contains a selection of photographs, a copy of MacArthur's speech, and the diverse selection items collected to reflect MacArthur's involvement in the Philippines throughout World War II. Ceremonies are held annually on the 28th of October to mark the Leti Gulf landing and subsequent Allied victory. The Battle of Leti is also linked to the famous naval clash known as the Battle of Leti Gulf, which took place in the nearby waters. This is commemorated in the San Diego in the United States. 5 piso Leyte Gulf Landing. Ito yung pictures niya guys. Issuer Philippines, period, Republic, 1946 yung date. Type, circulating commemorative coin, year 2014, value 5 piso, 5 pesos. Currency, piso 1967 yung date. Composition, nickel brass. Weight 7.7 grams. Diameter 27 mm. Thickness 1.85 mm. Shape round. Techniques mild. Orientation middle alignment. Number A number 69960. Reference number KM number 287. Commemorative issue 70th anniversary of Leyte Gulf Landing. At ito yung overs niya guys. General Douglas MacArthur and the Philippine President Sergio Osmeña surrounded by the soldiers wading ashore in Leyte. Script Latin. Lettering Leyte Gulf Landing 70th anniversary 1944 hanggang 2014. Ito rin yung reverse guys. 5-star rank insignia of US General MacArthur. Signature Vinet Bank Seal at Lower. Scripts Latin. Lettering, I have returned by the grace of Almighty God. Our forces stand against on Philippine soil. Soil consecrated in the blood of our two peoples. Field Marshal Douglas MacArthur, Republika ng Pilipinas, 5 piso. Translation, Republic of the Philippines, age plain. Meant by Space Security Plan Complex, PI Quezon City, Philippines, 1975 unit. Comments that discrepancy between MacArthur's rank and the description of these coins arises from the fact that he was a general in the U.S. Army and also held the rank of Field Marshal in the Philippines Army. Ito, 2014, PI niya, verify mayroon 25 pesos, extra fine 36 pesos. About uncirculated is 100 pesos, uncirculated is 110 pesos. Sa 10 million ang kanyang mintage. Dami palang ginawa nito, 10 million examples, 10 million pieces. Pero konti lang yung nakikita sa mga tao kasi nagawa rin itong collection sa mga nakahawak nito. At binibinta ito guys sa eBay ng 19,400. Mayroong grado nga MS66, nagraduhan ng NGC. So hanggang dito lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, share at subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos tungkol sa barya. God bless ating lahat.